First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 46 daily score booster questions. First, starting with the simplifications. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. First question, 2.25. I can write this as 2 1/4 means 2 4 times 8 and 1 9 by 4 into 14 into 16 into 3.5. Instead of 3.5 I can write as 2 7 by 2. So 8 2 times we get whole equals to x into 21. 7 3 times 3 3 times. So what we left is 14 6 times. 14 6 times is nothing but 84. Option B is our answer. Next, we are going to see second question, 16.66 percentage, which is nothing but the fraction value of 1/6 504. 6 8 times 48 to 24 means 4 times plus 24% of 950. I can see percentage single zero, 5 multiple, 2 multiple. So 2 12 times 5 19 times. 19 12 times is 224. Wait, 228. So the value of this one is 228 is equals to x square minus 49. This 49 comes this side with a plus. So totally we have x square value is 12 plus 9 21, 10 plus 6 16, 361. So x square value is 361 means x value 90. Option E is our answer. Next, 33 square, which is 1089 minus 16 619 times. 619 times means 114. So you get a 579 975 minus 25% of 300. Percentage and double zeros are cancelled. 25 3 times is 75 minus 75 means we get a 900. 900 under root means the value is 30 divided by, this looks like a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, which is 35, and a minus b means difference between these two 1 equals to 45 divided by x. 15 2 times, 15 3 times. So we get a 35 3 times 105 divided by 2, which will be 52.5. So answer is 52.5. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question, 4.84. Let's leave the point side. 484. 484 is 22 square, and this is divided by 100 whole root. Wait a second. Here 2 digits, so we get a 1 digit 10. Here it is 12 square, and here 1 2 3 4. 4 digits means we get 2 digits 100 plus it is 9 square divided by 1 2 3 4. 4 digits means we get 2 zeros equals to 5 minus x. So this will be 2.2. This will be 0.12. This will be 0.09. So totally we have 1 4 2. From all this we get to 2.41 equals to 5 minus x. So x value equals to 5 minus 2.41, which is 2.59. Option C is our answer. Next, here we have this looks like a square minus b square. So a plus b, which is 47 into a minus b. The difference between these two is 9. So 47 into 9 times. So let's write this 9 as a 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 470 minus 47, which will be 423. So 423 from this one whole equals to 9.09 percentage, which is nothing but 1 by 11 into 1441. 11 1 times 11 34, 3 times 33, and 1 time 131. plus 4x. This 131 comes this side with minus 131, which will be 2, 9, and this is 2. 4, 7 times is 28, 4, 3 times 20, 12. So x value we get 73. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here, first question, x is equals to root over 361. This is value 19. 19 square is nothing but 361. So here y value is y square is equals to 324, means plus 18 and minus 9 minus 18. So this number is greater than these two. So x is greater than y. Next, second one. Here 4 into 45, which will be 180. We need to get 28. 28 means 18, 10 times we get 18 plus 10 will be 28. Plus and plus means minus and minus. Here 2 12 times 24. So 8 3 times is 24 and we get 5. Minus and minus will be plus and minus. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. This will be minus 6 plus 16. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, third one. 6 10 times is 60. 60, and we need to get this one, means 15 4 times is 60. Minus and plus means both are in positive. Here we have 3 6 times 18, and we need to get this one 9 2 times. Plus and minus means minus and plus. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2 plus 4 minus 18. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Next, fourth one. 4 into 21, which will be 84. 84 means we need to get 19. 12 7 times is 84. Plus and plus means minus and minus are the roots. Here 3 into 14 42. We need to get 19. 21 2 times is 19. Okay, minus and minus means plus and minus. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 3 and this with 4. We get a minus 8 for 1 times 4, 4 2 times 84 plus 84, 3 7 times minus 21. This will be minus 36. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Next, fifth one. Here 3 4 times 12. We need to get 4, means 6 2 times. Minus and minus means plus and minus. Here 3 15 times 45, and we need to get 18. So 15 3 times. Plus and plus means minus and minus. Here the bases are equal. So we compare these two. It is clear that x is greater than y. Okay. Now we are going to solve wrong number series. First question. Let's see the differences here. Here the difference is 6 5 2. Here the difference is 8 2 1. Double times. Here the difference must be 64. No. Here we have 3 and 6. Here the difference is 3 and 3. Here the difference is 16. 16 double times is 32. 32 double times will be 64. 64 double times will be 128. 128 double times will be 256. So these two are wrong numbers. So wrong number is this one. 895 is a wrong number. Let's see second question. Here we see the difference of 3 1 3 3 1. So 11 cube. Here we see the difference of 4. Here it is plus, so it is minus 4 4 1 144. Here plus 6 9 1 2 2196 plus 2196. Here minus 5 9 1. Here the difference is 5 7 3 and 3. Now these are squares and cubes. 11 square, 11 cube, 12 square, this is 15 cube, so it must be 13 cube, 13 cube, and this must be 14 square. So 14 square is not 195, 13 square is not a 2196, 13 cube value will be 2197. So this is a wrong number. 3600 is a wrong number. Next, third question. Here it is into 4 times will be 220, into 4 times will be 220. Here it must be into 3 times 51 plus 4. Here it must be into 2 14 plus 3. So into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 5, which will be 225. 225 into 5 plus 6. 5 times 5 plus 6. We get unit digit 1. So our wrong number is 220. 220 is our wrong number. Next one. Here we see the difference of 15 here. Here the difference is 8 and 37, which will be 45. Here the difference is 82. Here the difference is 98. Here the difference is 5, 3 and 1. I know these are 15 factors. 15 1 times, 15 3 times, 15 9 times. 1 3, it must be 5, it must be 7. 15 5 times will be 75, not 82. 15 7 times is 105, not 98. So this is our wrong number. Okay, let's see further. Here we see the difference of 36. Here the difference is 4 and 6. Here the difference is 9 9. Here the difference is 5 4 1. Here the difference between these two is 6 9 and 1. This is 14 square, this is 6 square, this is 8 square, so it must be 10 square and this must be 12 square. These are wrong, so wrong number is this one. Now we are going to see missing number series. In missing number series, it is clear that it is into half times will be 6, 6 minus 1. It is into 1 time minus 2. It is into 1.5 times, which will be 4.5. 4.5 minus 3, we get 1.5. So it must be into 2 minus 4. 1.5 into 2 times will be 3. 3 minus 4, which will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 2.5 means minus 2.5, and minus 5 will get minus 7.5. So answer is minus 1. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. Here we see the differences. Here the difference is 15. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 21. So here the difference must be 23. So 7 3 5 537 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, here we see the difference between these two is 17. Here the difference is 6 3 136. Here the difference is 2 and 3 4 plus 3 7 and 2 272. I know these numbers are 17 factors. 17 1 times, this is 17 8 times, this is 17 16 times. So it must be into 2 times, it must be into 4 times. 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 16. So 17 2 times 34, 17 4 times 68. So 29 plus 34 will be 363. 63 plus 68 will be 131. So answer will be 63, option C. Next, fourth question. Here we see into 1 plus 2. It is into 2, 30. 30 plus 4 into 3, which will be 12. 102 plus 6. It must be into 4 plus 8. 430 to 32 plus 8, 440. So the next one must be into 5 plus 10. Into 5 means 5 4 times 20, 220. 220 plus 5, 10 will be 230. So answer will be 230. Option 2, 3. Wait a second. It is 2200 plus 10 means 2210 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth one. Here it is clear that this is into 5 times, which will be 110 plus 2. It is into 5 times 20 plus 2. Here it is into 5 times 60 and 560 plus 2. So here it must be into 5 plus 2. The next one must be into 5 plus 2. Into 5 means 2812. Instead of 5 we write 10 divided by 2 plus 2 means 2 1406 0 14060 plus 2 will be 14062. So answer is 14062. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, first question. The method we use for inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. So let's see with the questions directly. The first conclusion, the flow from x to y. From x we can reach to O, G and N but not able to reach to y. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from W to G. From W we can reach to X, O and G. So second conclusion will be true. Let's see second question. The flow from Z to H with everywhere equals to. From Z we cannot able to reach to, we can able to reach to H, but there is missing of J equal to here. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to K. From Y we cannot able to reach to K. So second conclusion is false. Next, third question, the flow from K to V. From K we can reach to J, Y, but we cannot able to reach to V. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to B with everywhere equals to. From Y we can reach to J but not able to reach to B. So second conclusion will be false. Okay, let's see fourth question. The flow from H to I. From H there is no flow to I. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, the flow from H to K. From H there is no flow to K. So second conclusion is false. Now question number 5. The flow from F to K. From F we can reach to E but not able to reach to K. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to E. From Y we can reach to P, O, F and E. So it is true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few judge or lawyer. Some lawyer is commissioner. Only commissioner is inspector. So inspector is inside commissioner and doesn't share with anything except commissioner. Let's see conclusion. Some judge is a commissioner. Some judge sharing with the commissioner. Here it is a direct conclusion, and in direct basic Venn diagram there is no relation between judge and commissioner. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no lawyer is inspector. We check some lawyer can be inspector or not. Some part of lawyer is sharing with the inspector. Is it possible or not? It is not possible because I only shares with the C only, but nothing else. So L sharing with I is not possible. Some part of L is not sharing with I. Some case fails means no case will be true. Okay, let's see. Sorry, it is the second question. Let's see first question. Some paper is pen. Some paper is pen. Only pen is pencil. So pencil is inside pen and doesn't share with anything except pen. No marker is paper. This is no marker. Let's see conclusion. Some pencil can be marker. Some part of a pencil is sharing with marker. Is a possibility? No, because pencil doesn't share with anything except pen. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some pen is not marker. Here we see not. So we check all pen can be marker or not. All pen can place inside marker. Is it possible? No, because of pencil. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Okay, let's see. First question over. Second question is done first. So 1 to our third one. Some sandwich is burger. Some sandwich is burger. No burger is hot dog. All hot dog is pizza. Let's see conclusion. Some pizza is not burger. We see not here. So we check all pizza can be burger or not. All pizza can be placed inside burger. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case is true. Next, some pizza can be sandwich. Some part of pizza can share with the sandwich. It is possible. So second conclusion is true. Next, fourth one. All grass is bush. Some grass, some tree is a grass. No tree is a flower. Let's see conclusions. Some tree is bush. Some part of tree is sharing with bush. As it is true. Second conclusion. Some flower is a glass. Some part of a flower is sharing with glass. No. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see final question. Fifth one. Only white is black. Means black is inside white and doesn't share with anything except white. No white is mustard. No gray is white. Let's see conclusions. All gray is mustard is a possibility. All gray can be placed inside mustard. It is possible or not? Yes. First one is true. Next, second one. All mustard is black is a possibility. All mustard is black. Inside a black. It is not possible because black only shares with white but nothing else. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to solve a reasoning puzzle. Now this puzzle is 8 persons are sitting in a row, some of them facing north and some of them facing south, but not necessarily in the same order. Not more than two adjacent persons face same directions. We need to remember this note. Not more than two persons, adjacent persons facing same direction. Okay, let's start with the statements. We once face opposite direction to JS. Once facing opposite direction to JS. Like this. Gaurav sits third to the right of ET. Third to the right of ET is Gaurav. Who represents to immediate one? ET. ET sits one of the extreme ends. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either we can place ET here or here. Right side of ET, 1, 2, third one is Gaurav. In this side, right one, 1, 2, third. This is Gaurav. Okay. Harsh sits third to the right of Gaurav. So 1, 2, third we cannot place this side. 1, 2, third Harsh is placed here. In this case also 1, 2, third of Gaurav. Harsh is here. So this is also completed. Jayesh sits immediate left of Deep. Immediate left of Deep is Jayesh. Okay. Next. Once faces north. Once faces north means Jayesh faces south. One person sits between Kavish and Deep. So Kavish and Deep, there is one person sitting between them. Okay. Next. Kavish sits left of Gaurav. Kavish sits left of Gaurav means we have two places here. If we place Kavish here, Kavish and D in between only one person. So we cannot able to place D. So this is the only place for Kavish. Kavish place is here means this is the place for D. Let's see in this case left of G only. So we cannot able to place K here. This is the place for K. So this is the place for D. If we got the D, we can able to write J. D immediate left is J. D immediate left is J means D facing south. In this case, D immediate left means D faces north and this is a place for J. Okay, we got J also. J faces south direction. J faces south. J faces south. Let's see remaining statements. Farhan sits left of Harsh. Left of Harsh is Farhan. Farhan is not immediate neighbor of Iti. So we only left with two places, and it is said that Farhan is not immediate neighbor of Iti. So this is not the place for Farhan, and this is only the place for Farhan. It is not the place for Farhan, so it is the place for Farhan. And Farhan is left of H. So the direction of this one must be this downwards. So here we get three immediate persons, but in our question it is clear that not more than two adjacent persons face same directions. So it is more than two, so this case fails. In this case, immediate left of H is Farhan. So what we left with here is Vansh. Once is left. Once faces north. So last statement is given that the persons who are sitting at the immediate extreme ends faces opposite direction to each other. This faces south means this faces north. So this is the solution we get from our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following persons sits immediate left of Vansh? Immediate left of Vansh is Kavish. What is the Kavish symbol? In question, we left a statement called Kavish and JS face same direction. Kavish and JS face same direction means south. Okay. Question is asked about immediate left of Vansh. Immediate left of Vansh is Kavish. First one answer is option D. Next, second question. How many persons sit between Deep and Vansh? Deep and Vansh, there are two people sitting between them. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see question number 3. 4 of the 5 are alike. Find the odd one out. Jayesh once. Jayesh facing south. Once facing north. Kavish facing south. So once is facing north. Let's note this is the most important one. Gaurav faces south. It also faces south. So once is the odd one out. So option B is our answer. Next one. Fourth question. How many persons faces south? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are facing south. So option E is our answer. Fifth question. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of JS? Second to the left of JS is Gaurav. C. Option E is our answer. By this, we have completed our daily score booster questions. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.